A 280-piece build-your-own fairground ride, a lovely replica of the classic Teacups ride, and has a retro circus theme. At the press of a button, the ride will come to life with lights and music, while the chassis and teacups counter-rotate, creating a wonderful atmosphere to entertain and delight. LED lights in the platform and base create a charming atmosphere. The laser-cut pieces give a stunning level of detail, and all made from forest-friendly timber and natural soy inks. All the packaging is recyclable too. Recommended for 14 years and up. It measures 18.5 centimetres tall, 19.7 centimetres wide, and 22.4 centimetres deep, and requires 3 AAA batteries to run.